How to activate chat heads in Messenger. Hey there, welcome to our channel. Want to supercharge your messaging experience and figuring out on how to activate chat heads in Messenger? If so, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to activate it. First and foremost, open up your Messenger application on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the Messenger menu. Now tap on the settings icon. Scroll down a bit until you find Preferences section. Under Preferences, look for the option labeled as Chat Heads. Make sure to toggle it on. Once activated, whenever someone sends you a message while you are not using the Messenger application, you will receive a convenient notification in the form of Chat Heads. Let's see how the Chat Heads notification looks like when you are not using Messenger. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have learned how to activate chat heads in Messenger. Now enjoy faster and more accessible chatting on the go. That's all for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.